Hey guys, what's up? In this short tutorial video, I will show you how you can add transitions to your video clips in the CapCut video editor, be it on your PC or on your laptop. So let's get started. Now, in the first step, place the first video clip of your video project here on your timeline by dragging it on your video track. And after that, select the second video clip from your CapCut library here and place it next to your first video clip on the same video track. So guys, if I move the playhead here to the end of the first video clip and play the play button here in the preview window, you will see that there is actually no real transitions and that it skips from the first video clip to the second one, which make the video pretty unprofessional, I'd say. So to add some professional touch to your video clip, I'd suggest adding a couple of transitions. You can do that by heading over to transitions here at the top and by selecting your preferred or favorite transitions from that list below. As you can see, the CapCut library features quite a lot of these transitions like fade in, fade out, or transitions like bubble blur, white flash, rotate, and so on and so forth. However, guys, bear in mind that some of these transitions can only be used with a pro account or pro membership here on CapCut. Luckily though, there's quite a lot of them also that are free to use. So let me go with a left transition like that. So simply click on it or on that plus icon here to apply it and watch the fruits of your work here in the preview by clicking on the play button. And there you go. As you can see, a clean transition from the first video clip to the second one. And that's all to it. You can also adjust the length and the position of your transition here manually if you like, but that's totally optional, guys. So that's how you do it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.